Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming you're on an administrator account and saving any open work. Once ready, open settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. You need to identify the active power profile so your changes apply immediately. If it's a corporate profile, make sure group policies won't overwrite local edits. Click the active profile to edit its sleep options and move to the next step to control timers and lid behavior. Now you'll change specific timers. Under the profile, set screen and sleep to never or a longer interval. Next, open additional power settings, choose change plan settings, then advanced power options to adjust deeper items. Disable hybrid sleep and set turn off hard disk to never if you want continuous operation. Make sure wake timers are enabled if you need scheduled wake events. Once done, apply and move to device and lid behavior adjustments in the final slide. Finish by checking Device Manager for network adapters or mice that can trigger sleep. Disable allow this device to wake where appropriate. If settings revert, inspect group policy or the registry. Only change those if comfortable because they override settings. Reboot and test for 24 to 48 hours to confirm behavior. If sleep persists, the key troubleshooting tip is to run powercug/requests and powercug/lastwake to identify processes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.